Hi everyone, this is Jan, and this is my reader card. And I have that stupid little tiny card that goes into my camera. I have a horrible time holding it and keeping it from flipping out somewhere. I hate it. I wish they were all this size. But it fits into this, and this is what goes into my computer. So while I have a USB card in my camera, I also carry one in here. Then when my camera card fills up, take it out of here, put the old one in here, because this is what I use to put it into my computer, and then put the other card into my camera, and I'm ready to go again. This I carry in the little camera bag. That works for me. See you later, everybody.